Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Actually, this is the Rumon blocks. We came here one field, and we were watching. Actually, there's a lot of people playing cricket, and so my two sisters actually they're sitting and watching the play. This is the natural view of my village. I love my village. I like actually the greenery scenery. A lot of peoples and children are playing cricket. They love it, and I can see actually the blue sky. It's very nice and beautiful. And today actually is very nice year. And this is actually our own fields. We grow some duncha is for burning, for cooking. We use it. This is the small ponds. Got some fishes, and my family members are taking waters and washing dishes and swimming also. You can see some mangoes, green mangoes. This is 100% organics. There is no chemicals. This is good for our health. This is some grasses for especially for actually cow. This is actually very good food for cows. Yes, one of my sisters is sit here, and I want to ask actually, how are you? How are you? You feel it to sit here? Can you tell me some few sentences? Tell me.
I don't say.
You don't want to say anything? No comments. Thank you. Another sister is trying to step on. Just can you tell me actually is how you feel to playing here? This is actually Mumphy. It's nice weather. Outfield is dry.